app and how to register for the callback ticket through ERP. For that, go inside the call center. Under the ticket tab, click on the registration. Search for the site name. There, click on the site. Enter for specific clip for which you want to register the callback. Register for callback. Here, you can add the complaint nature or performance or minor problem for breakdown call. Also, you can set the severity, mind trap, high, medium, critical. Also, you can set the priority, whether the call is urgent, hot, mind trap, or repeat. Just adding all the after adding all the information, save. Now you can see the ticket registration number. Then click on the next. If you want to assign this ticket for any particular employee, that also you can assign from here. Also, for once you have check-in or once the technician has logged in to for this particular route through the Smart Technician app, the ticket is assigned to the particular supervisor and supervisor will assign the ticket to the employee. Now we'll see this activity through mobile app. Here, under the Smart Technician app, allow all the parameters. Log in using your credentials. Enter the password and sign in. Login for the route. RJ NDA. Travel mode select and confirm. Now you can see the ticket is assigned to the particular supervisor. Here, Kalpataru. Here, supervisor will assign this ticket for particular technician from the app. Click on the technician, select the employee for whom you want to assign the ticket and save. As you got the notification, technician is assigned successfully. Now, once I have logged in through the technician mode now, you can see under the callback, this ticket is assigned to the particular employee. Now, once I have clicked for this particular ticket, here, once I have When I start the activity, select the travel mode and mark as OK. Here, if you want to add any part details for that particular site, at, for that particular lift, that you can add the details. Part remark. Battery needed. While working on the lift, whatever the breakdown details you found, that you can enter. Defect cause, damage, feedback, and add the signatory details at the end. Who was checking the activity for that site? What was the designation, security card, and mobile number? Take their signature and add any alternate email. And if you want to pause for this particular ticket, then you can pause and then start the ticket again by entering all the details. And if you want to end this ticket, click on Final End. Ready to travel? If you have want to start for next ticket, that you can select the yes. Like this, we can check all the activity related to callback tickets under the callback tab. Also, if you want to check for the regular service ticket, then